YouTube, text browsers here, and today I'm going to show you how to create an alarm clock using Visual Basic Studio 2010. First of all, open your program and create a new project. Make sure that you have selected Windows Phone application and rename it to alarm clock. Okay, wait a little for the form to be launched and go and customize your form. Rename it to alarm clock and hide the icon. Okay, now you need to insert 5 different buttons, so 5, okay, and put them, I don't care, put them as you want, as you wish. I don't know how you like to put them, but it's not a big deal. So another one here, here, and here. Okay, rename this button to start. This button size a little, and rename it to stop. This one to show playlist. Sorry, playlist. This one to playlist. This one just a couple of dots because it will be our browse button, so that we can browse our music. This one to stop. I'm sorry. Hide playlist. Okay, put it over here and resize it for a bit. So now you need to add two text box. One over here, resize it. Over here, and another one which will be here, but make sure that you have selected multi-line to make it a little bigger, so that in this text box, you can type whatever you want. So next step is to add 3 labels. Okay, 1, 2, 3. First one over here, second here, and the third one here. Okay, rename the first one to just whatever you want. Okay, this the second one to set time, and the third one to type message. Now, in order for your program to play whatever you want, you have to play 1 sec. I'm sorry, over here, and sorry, okay. In order to play whatever you want, you need a Windows Media Player. If you don't know how to show it to your command controls, you can go to web browser, choose items, wait for it to load. Okay, here, and computer components, and scroll down until you find Windows Media Player and make sure that it is set. So now that you have it, you put it over here. Okay, and you just make it invisible because we don't need it for the program to be shown. It's useless. Another thing that you have to insert it to add is a combo box. That is going to be our playlist. It's going to show our songs and whatever we have put. Okay, so let's begin coding. First of all, you need to I'm sorry, I forgot something quite basic. You have to add two timers and an open file dialog. Okay, so let's go and make code for timer1. First of all, timer1 is going to show us the time, the actual time. So you just need to type label1.text equal to time of day. Okay, and you're ready. So now you need to, one moment, yes, but you need to make code for the start button. So just type Timer2.Enabled equal to True. Press enter. If TextBox1.text equal to 0. Just follow me. Then MsgBox insert time. Okay, and below the and if section you have to add an MsgBox alarm on. So now you're ready to go and make code for the stop button. So you have to type Timer2.Enabled equal to false. Timer1.Enabled equal to true, and an MsgBox that's going to tell us that the alarm off. Okay. Another thing that you might want to put, add, is when you press stop, the song that you have selected for the alarm will stop playing. So in order to do that, you have to type AX Windows Media Player 1 dot CPL control dot stop, and you're ready. So now you're ready to go and customize button 3, this one over here. So playlist. So you just need to type a simple command. It's gonna be ComboBox1.Visible equal to true. For the hide playlist, you just need to copy this one and paste here, but the only difference will be that you have to type false. Okay, and now let's go and make code for the browse button over here. So okay, you have to type one sec. Okay, open file dialog1 dot show dialog, and you're ready. Sorry. Okay. Now what you need to do is go and make a code for Timer2. So just double click it and type if slide component if textbox1.text equal to label1.text, then Timer1.Enabled equal to false, x Windows player dot URL equal to ComboBox1 dot selected item. Okay, and textbox1 clear. And now if you want to have something like a reminder that's gonna show you a message that you want, something that you don't want to forget, or something that's very important for you, you have to type MsgBox open bracket textbox2 dot text, and then textbox2 dot clear. Okay, so now you're done with the code of Timer2, and you have to make a code for the open dialog. So type for each track as string in open file dialog1 dot file name, press enter, ComboBox1 dot items dot add open bracket track close. You're done coding, so now let's go and check our program. Just go to the debug section and start debugging, or press F5. So as you can see, this is a clock. We have 2 text box, as you can see, 1 combo box, start, alarm on, stop, alarm off, show playlist, hide playlist, show playlist, browse. We just have that. And so now let's go and try it. I'll put a random time, so 00. Okay. Tech advisor for message, and I will put this song over here. I will select it and start the alarm clock. So let's wait for another 20 seconds to see what's going to happen. I will pause the video and I will start it later. So now we are 5 seconds before the actual. Okay, as you can see, an MsgBox with what I've typed has been shown. Press K or whatever you want, and you're not able to hear what I hear, but the song that I have added plays in my ear, so I'll stop it because I can't speak. So you have successfully created alarm clock just go and customize a little more, do whatever you want, but don't touch the codes. So I'm gonna change the time count. I'm gonna go for impact, bold and 14, so I'll put it in the middle, and save it. Okay, alarm clock, save. So now let's go and see how it is saved and what we can do. Okay, Visual Studio, Project, Alarm Clock, B, Debug, and go to the application and double click it. Stop. Okay, here's the time. As you can see, I'm able to type in the text box. I can browse my music or whatever I want. I can hide the ComboBox, start the alarm, stop the alarm. As you can see, so the program is working great. So, thanks for watching the tube. Please subscribe and like if you found the video useful. And I'll be back soon with some other cool videos. So, bye for now. Good night.